So this is a pot in the pot evaporational ice maker. See the ice I got here? I barely got down to freezing last night. It got to frosting. This water was warm, solar warm. Would have been better if I put it out warmer. And then put it out, and then the bigger pot is evaporationally cooling down. And that's ice cold water right there. But this pot, the inner pot, robs the cold from this. And I'm wondering if the larger pot should be non-conductive, but conductive works. So the larger pot, the water, the smaller floating pot, this water underneath it continues to draw heat from this pot, and it sinks into the larger pot. It continually pulls the cold out. And then this one, that's all the ice it made. Look at that. And that's where I already broke the surface and crushed it down. And that was with barely trying. Evaporative ice making. How to make free ice. You know, once you can do this stuff, you can manage your life with very little energy input other than the sun. Uliuniki Zos Uzi Ulitumak Pakwami. Kamunzi Pakwami. Nile. Adio Nina Box, Wala Mekungan.